Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 9 chapter 8. There is a picture of our body which is related with excretion of nitrogenous wastes. Today's topic is excretory system. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about structure of nephron, diseases and treatment of excretory system. Nephron. What is nephron? The functional unit of kidney is nephron. Is human kidney contains about 1 million nephrons. So that means in human body there are 2 million nephrons are there. Structure of nephron. There is a picture of nephron. Each nephron is composed of mainly two parts. Number 1, renal capsules or Malpighian body. Number 2, renal tubule. Renal capsules. Follow the picture. This total part is renal capsules or Malpighian body. On the other hand, renal tubule from here to here. That means ending portion of Bowman's capsule to starting portion of collecting duct is in renal tubule. Renal tubule or Malpighian body. M is capital, always capital in Malpighian because Malpighian comes from scientist name. Malpighian body consists of two parts. Number 1, glomerulus. Number 2, Bowman's capsule. Let's see the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. Renal artery entered into Bowman's capsule and breaks into about 250 thinnest capillaries and form a net-like structure, and again drive out from the capsule as efferent arteriole of renal artery. This cluster of capillaries which is net-like in structure is called a glomerulus. And Bowman's capsule, this cup-shaped structure of Malpighian body is called Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule formed by two epithelial layers. Renal tubule. Renal tubule formed by the ending portion of Bowman's capsule and end on starting portion of collecting duct, but some scientists collecting duct also include in renal tubule. In your text, renal tubule formed by mainly three parts. Number 1, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule started from the ending portion of Bowman's capsule to starting portion of Henle's loop. That means the convoluted tubule near the Bowman's capsule of renal tubule is called proximal convoluted tubule. Number 2, Loop of Henle. Between proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, there is a U-shaped loop of renal tubule which is called loop of Henle. H of Henle is always capital because Henle comes from the scientist name. And finally, distal convoluted tubule started from ending of loop of Henle to starting portion of collecting duct. This spiral or convoluted tubule is called distal convoluted tubule. Role of kidney. Kidney has an important role to eliminate harmful and needless products. A normal adult person expels almost 1.5 liter urine per day. Urine contains nitrogenous wastage, urea, uric acid, ammonia, creatinine, etc. These are very much harmful to health. Each nephron of kidney is continuously producing urine through a complex process. This urine reaches to the pelvis of kidney through collecting tubule and proceeds through the funnel-like extended part of the pelvis and enters ureters. Ureter carries urine from kidney to urinary bladder, stores there for time being. When the urinary bladder is filled up with urine, a sensation of urination is created. Finally, urine is eliminated from our body through the urethra. In this way, kidney helps to expel nitrogenous waste product from the body. Kidney maintains the balance of mineral salts like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. Besides this, it maintains the balance of water, acid and base of blood. On your text, there is a table that you have to fill up. Waste product, organ and remark. Osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? The process through which water amount is maintained into our body. It's called osmoregulation. Nephron of kidney maintains the water equilibrium by reabsorption. Liquid substances are filtered in glomerulus. If the blood contains too much water, blood becomes dilute. It creates different complexity within the body, such as excessive nitrogenous waste products in blood, harm of cell, disturbance in blood transportation, etc. Kidney stone. Small stone-like substances produced by kidney is known as kidney stone. The male have the higher possibility to stone formation than the female. Kidney stone. Causes of kidney stone. Number 1, excessive body weight. Number 2, infection in kidney. Number 3, drinking insufficient water. Number 4, taking of excessive protein, etc. Symptoms of kidney stone. Number 1, a very dull and steady pain in back waist. Number 2, blood passes into the urine. Number 3, fever starts with sharking, etc. Treatment of kidney stone. Stone can be removed by taking sufficient water and medicament. Medicament means the elements which are used as medicine, or by the modern method uteroscopic, ultrasonic, lithotripsy or surgical operation. Maintain social distance. Adhere to hygiene rules. Thank you.